need to take all hours to tell you a tale about dear Santa Claus. The children nestled on small beds. There's a monsters and skeleton heads. This year, he's decided to play Santa Claus. But when Halloween creates Christmas, you might see a few flaws. And now, a dark carriage will take you away. Sit back, rest in peace in your black Christmas sleigh. Your sleigh will accommodate one or two more. We hope you're prepared for what Jack has in store. Don't pull down the bar. It will block down the He must always watch on all children. All good.
So with a truth that is sure, 7 pearls of wisdom to keep my love bewitched to me. 6 mystic mirrors.
Why, even a
Mansion's popularity after its opening in 1969, it was decided that it could benefit from a holiday overlay. The only other overlays like this up to that point were the Country Bear Christmas Special and the It's a Small World holiday.
Disneyland considered doing a holiday event based on Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol or a story based on Santa Claus, but neither really fit.
Eventually, they decided on A Nightmare Before Christmas since it had gained such a cult following.
The Haunted Mansion holiday came to life for the very first time October 3rd, 2001, and was an instant hit.
Many fans can't get enough of the overlay, but there are some that complain about it lasting for too long, nearly 4 months out of the year. Many feel that it's unfair that so many lose out on the original attraction.
Disneyland in California isn't the only Disney park to get this overlay. In 2004, Tokyo Disneyland's Haunted Mansion introduced it as well, to great success. But the other parks around the world have yet to receive this beloved overlay, including Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida.
Many fans on the East Coast have begged for the overlay to make its way to the Florida mansion, but there has been no word of that happening anytime soon.
So for now, you just have to make your way to California to experience this event, and we really just can't recommend it enough.